Say hello to desert royalty, the Queen Victoria agave, also known as Agave victoriae reginae. This petite powerhouse grows into a perfectly round, sculptural 12-inch tall by 18-inch wide rosette. Slow growing, but absolutely stunning. Each deep green leaf is edged with crisp white markings, like nature traced it in chalk. Seriously, this plant is a living piece of art. It thrives in full sun or part shade, in well-draining soil, and it's hardy down to 10 degrees Fahrenheit, perfect for zones 9 to 11. Native to Mexico, this one's compact, classy, and always camera-ready. A favorite for containers, minimalist landscapes, or just showing off. Come find your Queen Victoria agave at Richard's Garden Center in North Phoenix, or call 623-434-6922. Let's grow something amazing.